Hello and welcome to GM-BIST construction. Today we are going to learn how to detail our slab. We continue from our last class. Now, after you have actually done your modeling, you have done your analysis, as for the slab, you have to check for those slab, the panels that the reinforcement are insufficient. A panel that you need to redesign, either a two-way or one-way slab that you actually need to design. So what you actually need to do is to just come to slab. So when you come to slab, just right click, you go to set slab type automatically, apply to all slab in the story, say OK. So this, we have 10 slab in our model here, so click on OK. The next thing you do is to right click again on slab, then you say slab analysis and design, click on it. So you say check design, only reselect insufficient steel bar. So you check this one, you go to design. So story 1 span, 2 deflection check, section insufficient. So you now go to your X axis, your S. You now check for that slab which is insufficient. So you have actually redesigned it, or if you don't want to do that, you can just come back, check for your X. This is S3. This is S3. So you can actually click on it, properties, cancel. You run your strip again. Section insufficient. So what we'll do is to just delete this. Delete our slab. Delete your strip. You can introduce your beam. Let's share this. So the next thing you will do is click on this property, but this will not be 175 again, 150. So this is 150. You actually leave your beam here, but these are just partition beam. They are actually not load bearing beam, or if you want you can still load them. So let's actually load this. Copy, wall load, Control V, or paste. Yes. So we'll pick our strip again, go to modeling, slab strip, go and Y axis. So you click Control. You have it this way. So you change the direction. You take it from here. Yeah. So let's go back to our slab analysis again. Set it automatically. It should be 70%. Okay. Go back to your slab and slab analysis and design. Check design for your slab. So you can see that now we don't have issue. You can check for panel by panel for your first slab. First panel, story 1, slab 1. Check this side. Everything is sufficient. So we are done. You can either convert it to PDF or to MS Word and save it. or you just close. So the next thing we do, we just need to design. We want to detail our slab. We want to detail your beam, your columns, and run the analysis. You just click to analysis. Always check your model for errors. You have 0 error, then you cancel analysis. So you run the analysis. Give it time to process the analysis. So your relative story drift satisfy limit. So you make sure the two limits in both directions are being satisfied. Click OK. Yes. We'll go to post analysis. Check for columns. Everything is OK. So close. Check for your beam. Be sure that everything is OK. Then you close. You can also check your displacements. I'm okay with this. So I'll just close my model. So the next thing is to generate your details. Just go to drawings and reports. Your reporter detail. Yes, save it. Give it time to process your details. So what we actually want to do today, we want to learn how to detail our slab. But you can't design a slab, or you can't detail a slab that has failed. And that is what we have to run the analysis to ensure that we are on the safer side. So for designs that you have actually designed for some time, before you want to detail again, you have to run the analysis to ensure that everything is okay, so that you can go on with the detailing. But the detailing is actually the final process of your design. After detailing, you are actually telling people that your design has been saved. You have considered all the factors of design. So you should ensure that before you detail, everything is okay. So I can actually, if I don't want the steel table, I can the bar schedule table, I can just unclick. So there are so many things to set here, but I'm okay with that, so I'll just click on draw. Then you left click in the center. You allow your details to process. Okay, so we now export our details. Allow it to process. Proceed here. Now open it. So what we want to learn today is how to detail our slab. So I'll just copy my slab here. So I'll open a new page. Okay, let me open a new page. I'm using AutoCAD 2019, so I want to open a new page so that I can actually begin my details or detailing of my slab. So I will now paste it. So we don't need this, so I can just right click, select similar, delete. We don't need our beam. Select similar, delete them. So we'll now begin our detailing now. So just pick your line on your auto mode and your auto snap. I'm going to show you how to detail your slab. An easy way of detailing a slab. So this for your y-axis. So let me just pick one of it and keep it here. Okay, so we'll now begin. For this, you can see the reinforcement here, 15 y12. So all you need to do is just to edit it. Y12, and your bar identification number is 2, and this is T1. This is the reinforcement tied on this direction. See it here. So we are done with that. Now you can actually decide to I will not combine the reinforcement. We'll be doing it individually for those who are not too used to this method of detailing, so that you can actually learn fast. So you just copy this. So let me delete this. Let me off my auto mode. So copy. This is. So you come to this one. This is the reinforcement tied in this direction. So we have 15 y12. Bar identification number is 1, and this is B1. So this is 1512. Bar identification number here is what? 1. This is B1. B1. We are done with that. So I'll come back on my auto mode. If you want, you can actually draw your lines. I don't want to combine. So I will also teach you how to combine your reinforcement at different slab. So now the only thing we'll be doing now is just to reinforcements. So now for this direction, this is a reinforcement 15y12. The bar identification number is 4, and these are the top reinforcements. The bar identification number, the only thing you change it for, this is T1. So you copy again. So this is the reinforcement tied to this place now. So this is 15y12. Bar identification number is what? 3, and this is B2. The spacing is 250. Delete the bar identification number, and this is B2. This is B2. You don't need to do any calculation. But I've actually done the calculation for you. Just want to arrange it in a way that somebody can easily read and understand. So this is 15y12. This is the reinforcement going in this direction. So this is 15y12, and the bar identification number is 6. Spacing at 250 and T1. This T1. So this is 15 y12. Bar identification number is what? B. Our bar identification number is 5, and this is B2. Still 15. So you change here 5. The bar identification number, and the position is B2. So we're actually proceeding. So this is 15 y12. Bar identification number of 8, spacing of 250, and this is top T1. This is 8. T1. Dog reinforcements. So the next thing you do is to detail this one. So this is the reinforcement tied in this direction. 15 y12, spacing of 2, bar identification number of 2, the spacing of 250. This is 2. 2. It's T1. Okay, we are done in that direction. So let's go to the S direction. So for the S direction, you can see that this one is top, this one is top, and they have the same bar identification number 15, 15, 15, 15. So this is what you are going to do. You combine this one, combine it, combine it, combine it. Take it down. So this is 15, 13. So let's be doing the calculation. Calculator. The first one here is 13. This is 13 plus the second one here 16. 16 plus the next one is what? 18 plus the next one is 10. So it equals to 57 y12. The bar identification number is 15, spacing at 250, and this is top. So we'll have, my position is somewhere here. I can pick one of it. We'll have 57. From the summation we did 57 y12, and the bar identification number is 15. 15. This is T1. So let's check this one too. Let's check the second one. This is 13, 14. This is 16, 14. This is 18, 14. And this is 10, 14. So we can actually combine this one too. Let me change. But I can actually draw the line once. So we'll also sum this. So put my calculator again. So we'll begin with the calculation. You must sum all of them. So these are the reinforcements going this direction. See them. This is 13. 13 plus this is the first one. So we are done with this first one. So this is the second. 16 plus 16 plus the next one is 18 plus 10, 57 again. So this is B1. Okay, this is B2. Sorry, we'll not be combining this one. This is B2. This was B2, and this one is B1, and this one is B1. This one is B2. So what we do is that we dictate them separately. So you must take note of all of this, so you don't misplace the position of the reinforcement. So this for this for this in this direction. This is 10, Y12, but identification number is 14, and this is B2. So we can actually detail this one this way. Let's detail it this way. So this is in this direction. This is 18, Y12, 14, bar identification number 14, and this is B1. 18, bar identification number is 14, and this is B1. So we can actually proceed here to this. We detail this one too. Let's detail it in this direction, this way. And this is what we have: 16, Y12, 14, 16. Bar identification number is 14, and this is for B1. So I want our detail to be done. You can actually do it this way. You can do it in both directions. We'll draw this line so that it will help me to train afterward. Just copy this one. So this is 13, Y12, bar identification number is 14, and this is B2. 13, B2. So we'll now go to the second slab. Let's check out. This is bar identification number is 21, and this is T1. 21 T1. 21. This one is 17. So this one now changes. So we'll now combine these two here. We'll combine this. Copy. So this is 23 and 25. That is 48. If you combine this one and this, This is 48. 48. The bar identification number is 21. 21. And both of them are T1. T1. So we'll come to this side and we'll detail this one. Copy. So this is the reinforcement in this direction. This is 10Y12, bar identification number 17, and this is T1. So let's check here again. This is for this is B1 and this is B2. So we detail them separately. So this one I can actually take it from here up all this way. Pause. Detail this one. So you come down all the way here, check your reinforcement. This is 25, Y12, the bar identification number is 21, this is T1. This is it. T1. Let's check the bar identification number again. 21. It's 21. Okay. So that's not it. It's here. So let's check again. 25. Bar identification number is 20 and B1. It's 21. 20. And this is B1. You have to be careful while detailing your slab. We are done with that. Let's detail this one. So this is the reinforcement. Then the bar identification number is 16. 16. B2. Proceeding. Okay. Let's compare. Let's check out something here. This was 15. The bar identification number was 2. This was T1. Let's check this one. So we'll delete one of this. This one we need. So you can actually combine this one and this one. They are the same. They have bar identification number and both of them are top. So what you need to do is just join it here. Then you detail it. So this is 20 and this was 15. So this is 35. This was 15. That was 20. This is making 35. 35 T1. Let's check out this one too. This is B1. The bar identification number is 7. Let's check out this one. B1 bar identification number 7 too. We'll join. So this is 20 and this is 15. So this is 35. So the bar identification number is 7. 35. and it's B1. Let's check out again. It's B17, B17. So let's check this one. 20 and the bar identification number is 13 and it's top. Okay, this one is different. So what we need to do is just to detail it here. Detail it this way. Copy. So it's 20 Y12. 20 Y12. This is 13. Nice tip T1. So we are not yet done with this panel. We have another one down here. Let's check this one out. This is 10 Y12. The bar identification number is 18 and this is T1. Let's go to this side so that we'll complete our slab. This panel. So let's check it out. This is 23. The bar identification number is 20. B2. So also detail this one. Let's detail this one. Okay. So we now go to the next panel. Okay, we are left with this one. Let's detail this one. So this is B2 and this is 24Y12. Taking it slow there, so that for those who are learning this for the first time will be able to grab it. 24. Bar identification number is 11. This is B2. So let's check out this slab. Let's check out and see what's something here. So this is B1, B2. Let's check out this one. What is B2? This is B2. This is B2. How about the identification number is 11, 11, and 11. Okay, this is what we are going to do. Combine it and we'll detail it this way. So this is 18. We'll not submit. Calculator. The first one here is 18. 18 plus. This is the second one. 12 plus 24. And all of them are B2. The identification number is 11. This is 11. This is 11. This is 11. So we have 54. B2. So you come back to confirm. It's 11 on B2. If you're done with that, check out this one too. This T1. This T1. This T1. T1. And both of them are 12. The bar identification number is 12. Pick this one, join it here, and we call out here. So this 25 and 12. That is 37. 37. By identification number 12, and this is T1. 12. T1. Okay. We are done with this panel. Let's check out this one. It's 12. It's 12. T1, but December identification number. So we'll call out. Okay. 18, 12, this is 30. Y12, 27, T1, 27, T1. So let's check out. Okay, let's do for the y-axis. Or let's come here. This B2, this B2, and both of them are 9. Let's check this one too, so that we'll call out T1, 10, 10. We're just placing this to enable you to edit. So it's 12 plus this is 30, 39 and B1. 30, 9, B2. To check it out again. It's B2. This is 18 and this is 12. That's 30. Then T1. Then T1. So let's come to the x-axis. This is T1. This is T1, and both of them Y 23 and 25. So let us call out this side. So we'll sum it together. It's 25. This is 23. That is 48. 23 T1 48 48 48 what 23 48 20 23 T1. Let's check out this B1. This one is B1, both of them 22. We'll call out here. It's 25. It's 48, 22 B1. Oh, 48. 22 B1. Let's confirm. Okay, we are good to go. Let's move to the next panel. This 23 T1. 23 T1. Bad identification number 2525. We'll copy this down. 25 48 25 T1. 25 T1. So combine this again, but before that let's check it out. B1 both of them 24 identification number. Let me make the line straight. Copy. This is 25 48 24 48. This is 24 for the bar identification number. This is what B1. So the next thing you do, okay, this is what we have here. Let's detect this one. This is 10. 2. This is T1. Copy. And this is 10, 12, and this is 19. 19. B1. And this one. So copy. Then the bar identification number is 2. This is T1. So let's check this out. This is 25. Bar identification number 26. T2. T1. They are the same. So where are we going to? Let us call it. Let's take it this side. Do it this side. This is 23. This is 48. 48. And the bad identification number is 26. This is T1. Is there anything left out? I don't think so. We are done with that. The next thing we can trim. Let's trim so that in a straight line. So you don't need this here. Delete. What is this one supposed to be one? So you don't need this. This one you delete there. You don't need this. But you leave the length of the reinforcement. You delete this. 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 So you delete. Continue doing this. Delete. Don't need this one. Don't need that. Need this. We don't need this. Yes, we are done. So click on this, select all, and you make it bold. Keep bold. Also click on this, select all, make it bold. So let me on my line width. Small my line width. So I'll now highlight both the bottom and the top reinforcements. I say select all. I will come with that dimension. I'll change it. So I also increase this. Select all. Now make this black. So for this panel, this one is not the same with this, so this adjustment here. So you can actually play around your detailing. Okay. You can actually combine this one, combine this one, this. If you have that time. So let's also change the color for this. So you are done with your detailing of your slab. So this is just a simple way to detail your slab. After you have done your analysis, you can actually detail your slab like this. With this, anybody picking your design can actually read out what you have actually detailed. This is simple, it's easy. Anybody can actually use it in your absence. Thank you, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of our tutorial video. I remain Benedict from GM-BIST Construction.